Hey, I'm Sully with HSI Auto Club. Check out this 1,000 horsepower BMW M4 G82 built by Eastside Villains. Look at those fenders, the carbon lips, the diffuser. Even standing still, this car is pure trouble. Owners behind the wheel, head-mounted POV. You see exactly what they see every tap of the throttle, every tiny movement. This car comes alive, and honestly, it's a little terrifying, not gonna lie. From my POV as a passenger, it's even crazier. Pops, crackles, that deep engine growl. This thing is pure insanity, definitely a bit scary. Even just rolling, the exhaust doesn't quit. Pops, crackles, bass growl. Torque hits instantly, and those carbon lips make it look even meaner. This car really got me grinning. Shout out to ESV Racing on Instagram. These guys make cars that really dominate the streets. This G82 is an absolute monster. My turn, first tap of the throttle, and wow, 1,000 horsepower hits instantly.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? Send it, bro! What the fuck? Yo!
Steering is sharp, throttle is ridiculous, exhaust doesn't stop. Even a few seconds behind the wheel and I'm hooked. Absolute insanity. And yup, cops here, he heard us from blocks away. Pulled over just seconds after I started driving. The funny part, most of the chaos came when the owner was driving, but somehow I'm the one getting the ticket. Classic. After that, we had to creep through the neighborhood. Not much room to play, so it was just careful cruising. Even slow, you can feel the torque, hear the pops, and those carbon lips make it look mean even at walking pace. If you love this G82, hit that like button, subscribe to HSI Auto Club, and comment your favorite moment. This car is one you don't forget.